Alright, just like I said, I'm gonna be doing a video for you guys on how you can catch these same pips on gold, on AUDUSD. Of course, people have been saying, "Oh, this is my favorite pair, my major pair." You know, my love, I'm a gold digger, I'm a this, I'm that. You know, it's fine, it's cool, it's amazing, it's fantastic. However, there's something you should know that I made a video that about how you can catch, of course, how you can catch 4,000, 5,000 pips daily on any setup or any pairs. But however, there are few exceptional rules for gold and how you can do that on gold, because I tell people that gold trading of gold is quite a little bit different from other pair. Now, what you should know that gold move is 10 pips. A 10 pips of gold is 1 pips on other pair. So if you have gold moves in that 10 of 10 in 10 pips, that's 100 pips. That means the other pips are just moved to what? Just 1, just 10. That's 10 pips. So if you, that's why you see yourself, if you use 001 on gold, and then in just 1 or 2 pips, you have already made crazy. You're just seeing blue everywhere. You have made crazy money. So it will take you what? It will take you 200 pips for that. So that kind of money to make, or 20 pips kind of money to make on gold. Whereas you have made like 100 pips already on gold, but it will take you 10 pips to make over there. That's why people see that gold is crazy, it's fast money. Anyway, that should not be your mindset anyway. That's the first one, should not be your mindset. The mindset should be how to learn the strategies, how to learn the rudiments of the market. You understand it so well, so that you can trade any. You can trade any. As a matter of fact, I do advise newbies not to even near gold, not to fall to that syndrome of fast money. Because it's normal, and everybody. When I was starting out as well, I fell in love with that syndrome of fast money until I had to record myself and of course sit right and you consider that what is really working for me. Where am I really making money? Where am I losing? I found that I lose more on gold. Even though I make more money, I lose more on gold and I still make some stable money on other pair. Then I focus more on other pair. Then I begin to use the strategy on that pair to use on gold, and gold is on paying me the same thing. That is how it should be, actually. Why many newbies will not accept that. That's why you get yourself frustrated and opt out, and you call it a scam. That is why it's not working for me. I've lost. You always lose. That's the pattern. After you're losing streaks, and after you're losing everything, the time will just come. You will learn from those losses, and you begin to upgrade yourself. You begin to fine-tune yourself. You begin to re-engineer yourself. You begin to, relaunch. You begin to see yourself doing better and better work. Because the market is so complicated and so bogus. So in learning and in everything. So I'm going to tell you in this video how you can get 10,000 pips on gold daily. Awesome. If you haven't watched my video on how you can get 5,000 pips daily, you can watch this video right now. I'll go into my bio to see the video so you can get a knowledge and a broader one around this. But this one is specifically for gold. I'm going to be teaching you how you can get 10,000 pips on gold, or at least 1,000 pips daily, 5,000 pips on gold daily. Now, I told you in my other video that for other pairs, you would need a longer time frame for more or less like e.g. daily, weekly, and 4 hour. But for gold, if you are going by that, the pips you get out of it is about 50 pips on the key. Yes. You will get about 50 pips, 50,000 on the key. If you are trying to consider your entering or your longer pips, you want to catch a pips around 4 hour one day, you'll be getting 100,000 on the K pips. Because why? 1 pips moves in gold is 10 already. Why 1 pips moves in other pips is just 1 pips? So imagine tens of it has moved in gold. That's 100 pips already. Now on 10 of it has moved in other pips. That's just 20 pips or 10 pips. Why some other pairs could be 2? That's just 20 pips. Yes, but gold is crazy. The movement of gold is crazy. So imagine how far much you will have done. So to catch 1,000 is easily on gold. To catch 500 is easy on gold. To catch 50 pips, even to catch 100 pips on gold is easy. You can scalp as a gold to catch 100 pips. You can be a scalper to catch 500 pips as a gold. Yes, that 500 pips is just for 50 pips. Another pair. That 1,000 pips is just for 100 pips. Another pair. That is it. People don't understand it, because I've done a video about how you SAU calculation of gold and how it moves. It also moves with every other pair. It's crazy. The movement is crazy. It jumps. Pop, pop. How doesn't move? How they jump? Now jumping they do. Pop, 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 pop. So that's the movement of it. It does. It jumps every time. So that is for that. And then, so if you haven't watched this video, I would advise you to go and watch the video on how you can calculate AUDUSD gold and every other stuff like that, so you can learn more better than this. So that is for that. So it moves in 10 pips. That's why you see yourself, if you found $100 or $10, you have already doubled. Hey, you're happy. Don't be happy. Oh, the money that you give it to the calculator tomorrow. Don't be happy. Oh, the money you bought today, you can take it out for you tomorrow. That's why you see that you fund, and mostly it's not always good for these two fund people. If you want to go your account, don't just near gold. Just trade normal pair, cross pair that will take you step by step, small. Because actually, you can go account with gold though, but you must have the mindset that I want to lose this money, because if the retracement comes, it can wipe you out. If the retracement comes, I repeat, if the pullback comes, it can wipe you out. Especially if you have stacked a lot, you have your 0.2, even though you are open 0.1, 0.1 on gold. One movement of it is like 0.10 that already open. Did you know? Yes, because one move of it is 10 pips already. It's 10 pips already. So it's more, it's like I've already opened 0.10. So imagine now you're not stacked. Even though you funded a $30 account or $50 account, even though you're not stacked, imagine how much that would have been. That's why you see that even though on your $100 account, sometimes you make money, you have double your account already within 5 minutes. That is good for you. Same thing, that is like gold is like a two-way of a thing. You can better your life. You can send you back to the village. One is going far, better your life. One is going against you, send it back to the village. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy that you can do you two-way thing. You can do you good, can do you bad. So that's how it is. So one of the points I want to point out in this video is that it has a few exceptional rules to the other one that you have to set in daily, weekly. If you want to do that, that means you are ready to catch about 200k pips on gold or 150k pips on gold, you know. But if you want to catch still same 5k, 1k, 2k, you should consider yourself coming to 30 minutes on gold. Yeah, coming to 30, because gold has a very volatility. The volume on gold, the volatility on gold is crazy. So you should start your stuff from 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes, of course. So 15 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. Sometimes I do my 5 minutes on gold specifically. Yes, and I'll still catch about 100 pips, 200 pips on gold. Yes, 5 minutes. Go and do that on normal. So you know, except you're a scalper, you can consider your time frame of 5 on the other pair. But mostly on other pair, I set up my entry is around 15 minutes, 30 minutes. But on gold, I come down to 5 minutes because of the movement. It's crazy. One move is 10 already. Pa. If gold is around, let me say gold is around 2005 now. Just like 2005, we are doing this video. And gold moved from 2005 to 2030. That's 5 abi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is just 5 abi, right? On normal pips, just call what? 5 pips. On gold, that is 50 pips. I'm telling you. That's simple. Just catch that 50 pips. Why some day today want to catch 50 pips on normal pair? You should take them a while before they catch. But that 50 pips can be yours. And once in seconds. That God is crazy. Maybe in 2 seconds you already catch. So the piece is crazy. You can catch that longer, faster. So that's why you don't set up your watch. You don't set up your entry, your time frame, what you're looking for on daily or 4 hour. You have to come down to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 50 minutes, so you can catch 2,000 pips per day, 5,000 pips per day on gold, and it's visible, and the also are very visible and are very valuable to catch. Okay. So that is for that on gold. I hope you learned something. If you are, let me know what's your own time frame you think or you're considering that you used to use for your gold entry, and then once you catch 5,000, 10,000 pips, 5,000 pips on gold, let me also know your favorite pair that you trade as well. I'm not a favorite pair on gold, but I do it very well when I see a good setup on it. So let me know your favorite pair as well, and the trade you and the pair you trade to catch a longer and a voluminous pips like 5,000, 10,000 and the likes. Thank you so much for joining me once again. If you like this video, please and please do not forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Please and please subscribe to this video. Subscribe now. Thank you for doing that right here, guys. Thank you very much, and bye for now. See you on the inside. Peace out, my people.